Study sheds new light on the behavior of the giant carnivorous dinosaur Spinosaurus. Phys.org. New study unravels complete sequence of DNA repair mechanism. News-medical.net. Get paid to eat candy and chocolates as a candyologist. Canada News. Castanet.net. Snow expected in Toronto Tuesday as Environment Canada warns of messy drive. CP24 Toronto's breaking news. Wildlife Rescue Group says bird feeders could be spreading bacterial infection among songbirds. CBC.ca. 6 Alberta Safeway stores being rebranded to discount Freshco chain. CTV News Edmonton. Couple who chartered plane to get COVID vaccine in Yukon misled about jobs, locals say. Now they face charges and fury. Toronto Star. A historic deal closes, a new chapter begins for Indigenous people in Atlantic Canada's fishery. The Globe and Mail. Buried in Reddit, the seeds of Melvin Capital's crisis. Institutional investor. Rural Alberta businesses open for in-person dining, not following mask rules despite restrictions. Global News.